Hey everyone, welcome back to Digital Dollar. In today's video, we're diving into a hot topic, how to make $100 a day with Bitcoin. Whether you're just starting out or you're a crypto enthusiast, I'll be sharing some actionable strategies that can help you reach this goal. Keep in mind, each method comes with its own level of risk, so make sure to do your own research. Ready? Let's jump right in. 1. Day trading Bitcoin. Our first strategy is day trading Bitcoin. If you're already into trading or you have a knack for timing the market, this method might be right for you. Here's how it works. Day trading involves buying and selling Bitcoin within the same day to take advantage of small price movements. Tips to get started. First, use a platform with low trading fees like Binance or Kraken. High fees can eat into your profits fast. Second, it's essential to learn some basic technical analysis. By analyzing charts and identifying patterns, you'll have a better idea of when to buy and sell. Day trading can be exciting but also challenging. Since Bitcoin is highly volatile, you can make $100 in a day or lose it pretty quickly. So, start with a small amount and remember that risk management is key. 2. Bitcoin lending. If trading sounds too intense, another option is Bitcoin lending. With this approach, you can earn passive income by lending out your Bitcoin to others on platforms like BlockFi or Nexo. These platforms pay you interest for lending, and rates can go as high as 5 to 10% per year. How it works. When you lend your Bitcoin, the platform uses it to fund loans for other users. In return, you earn a fixed interest rate. The beauty of this method is that it's more of a set it and forget it strategy, perfect if you're looking for a hands-off way to earn from Bitcoin. Keep in mind, while lending is relatively low risk, these platforms aren't insured like banks, so if something goes wrong, there's no guarantee of getting your Bitcoin back. Only lend what you can afford to lose. 3. Bitcoin staking and yield farming. The next strategy is staking and yield farming. With staking, you lock up your Bitcoin or other crypto to support a blockchain network, and in return, earn rewards. Platforms like Binance offer staking options that sometimes include Bitcoin or Bitcoin-based assets. Earnings potential. Staking can offer annual returns up to 20%, which is pretty solid. You might not make $100 every single day, but it's a consistent way to grow your holdings over time, especially if you have a decent amount invested. Like lending, staking has some risk since you're relying on the platform's security. However, if you want steady growth and can leave your assets untouched, this might be a great choice. 4. Automated trading bots. For those who prefer automation, trading bots could be a good option. Bots like 3Commas or CryptoHopper allow you to set up trading strategies that run 24/7. This is a great way to potentially earn $100 a day without being glued to your screen. How to get started. Choose a bot platform that integrates with your preferred exchange. Customize a strategy or pick from pre-made ones. Keep an eye on your bot's performance and make adjustments as needed. Remember, bots don't guarantee profit. If the market takes an unexpected turn, you can still end up with losses, so be prepared to monitor your settings. 5. Microtasks and paid surveys in Bitcoin. Now, if you want something super low risk, microtasks and paid surveys in Bitcoin can be a fun way to earn a bit of crypto. Sites like Bituro and Cointeply reward you with Bitcoin for simple tasks like watching videos or completing surveys. Earnings potential. You won't make $100 a day with this, but it's a good way to earn small amounts of Bitcoin without any investment or risk. This can be a nice side activity if you're building your holdings. 6. Bitcoin affiliate programs. If you have a social media following or know people interested in crypto, affiliate programs can be a great source of income. Many Bitcoin exchanges like Coinbase and Binance offer referral programs. For every new user you refer, you get a commission. Earnings potential. With enough consistent referrals, you could make $100 daily. Plus, once you build a steady flow of referrals, the income can become relatively passive. The main challenge here is finding a reliable stream of referrals, but once you have that, the potential is high. 7. Freelance services for Bitcoin. Finally, if you have a skill, like writing, graphic design, or coding, you can offer freelance services and get paid in Bitcoin. Platforms like Bitwage and Cryptobs connect freelancers with clients willing to pay in cryptocurrency. How it works. Create a profile on these platforms, offer services, and negotiate rates in Bitcoin. Earnings potential. Freelancing can pay well if you're skilled, and getting paid in Bitcoin lets you grow your crypto holdings without any extra cost. And there you have it, 7 ways to potentially earn $100 a day with Bitcoin. Remember, each strategy has risks, so take your time to find the one that suits you best. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and share it with friends who might find it useful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.